मासिक धर्म स्वच्छता दिवस की शुरुआत पर नई दिल्ली होटल ली मेरिडियन में स्वस्थ कल के लिए मासिक धर्म स्वच्छता, नवाचार, प्रभाव और स्थिरता थीम के साथ तीसरा मासिक धर्म स्वच्छता प्रबंधन सम्मेलन और पुरस्कार 2024 शुरू हुआ। इस कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन प्रतिष्ठित गणमान्य व्यक्तियों द्वारा औपचारिक दीप प्रज्वलित करके किया गया।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम, मैं ज़मीर अहमद अंसारी और आप देख रहे हैं जेड न्यूज़ फॉर यू। अर्ज़ यह है कि आपने अपने चैनल जेड न्यूज़ फॉर यू को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ में दिए हुए बेल आइकन को भी दबाएं, जिससे हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आपको मिल सके।
जिससे एक ऐसे मंच की स्थापना हुई जो महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों को संबोधित करता है, सर्वोत्तम प्रथाओं को साझा करता है और मासिक धर्म स्वच्छता प्रबंधन में उपलब्धियों का सम्मान करता है। कार्यक्रम के दौरान प्रमुख वक्ताओं द्वारा महत्वपूर्ण अंतर्दृष्टि साझा की गई। श्री अनिल राजपूत, अध्यक्ष एसोचैम राष्ट्रीय CSR परिषद ने स्वागत भाषण दिया, जिसमें इस बात पर जोर दिया गया कि भारत में 22.7% महिलाओं के पास सुरक्षित मासिक धर्म स्वच्छता उत्पादों तक पहुंच नहीं है और 23% यौवन तक पहुंचने के बाद स्कूल छोड़ देती हैं। उन्होंने इन महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दों से निपटने में सरकार की महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका को रेखांकित किया। उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार में विशेष सचिव IT और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स IAS श्रीमती नेहा जैन ने मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई और बताया कि 28 मई को मासिक धर्म स्वच्छता दिवस के रूप में क्यों मनाया जाता है, जो 28 दिवसीय मासिक धर्म चक्र का प्रतीक है। उन्होंने अधिक लोगों को स्थायित्व और आर्थिक लाभ के लिए मासिक धर्म कप का उपयोग करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित किया। डॉक्टर श्रीमती वंदना तलवार, चिकित्सा अधीक्षक VMMC और सफदरजंग अस्पताल, स्वास्थ्य और परिवार कल्याण मंत्रालय, भारत ने कहा कि मासिक धर्म कलंक और गलत धारणाओं में घिरा हुआ है, खासकर विकासशील देशों और हाशिए के समुदायों में। खराब मासिक धर्म स्वच्छता प्रजनन पथ के संक्रमण, गर्भाशय ग्रीवा के कैंसर और मनोवैज्ञानिक संकट का कारण बन सकती है। पुडुचेरी की पूर्व उपराज्यपाल और इंडिया विजन फाउंडेशन की संस्थापक डॉक्टर किरण बेदी, मुख्य अतिथि, ने मासिक धर्म स्वच्छता पर नियमित राज्यवार और जिलावार शोध की आवश्यकता पर जोर दिया। उन्होंने सैनिटरी नैपकिन की आवश्यकता की तुलना हर घर में गैस, पानी और बिजली की आवश्यकता से की तथा ये सुनिश्चित करने के महत्व को रेखांकित किया कि हर महिला को पॉलिएस्टर मुक्त सैनिटरी नैपकिन उपलब्ध हो। डॉक्टर बेदी ने मासिक धर्म से जुड़ी कलंक को दूर करने के लिए गैर सरकारी संगठनों और सरकार के बीच सहयोग का आह्वान किया तथा मासिक धर्म स्वच्छता प्रबंधन का समर्थन करने के लिए मशीनों और भस्म की स्थापना की वकालत की। स्वास्थ्य और परिवार कल्याण मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार, महिला एवं बाल विकास मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार, बीमारी से तंदुरुस्ती, रियल रिलीफ, स्पार्क मिंडा ग्रुप, सेंटर फॉर कैटेलाइजिंग चेंज C3, सोनी इंडिया, तमिलनाडु मर्केंटाइल बैंक लिमिटेड, दूरदर्शन नेशनल, DD1, यूनेस्को नई दिल्ली कार्यालय, गिविन हॉट फाउंडेशन, नीति आयोग, ब्लॉसम कोचर, एम्फेसिस, ट्राइन एंजेलिन सिग, राखी जग्गी, प्रवीण कर्ण, भौमिक शाह, आर्टेमिस हॉस्पिटल्स।
but also promote environmental sustainability by reducing waste and minimizing the carbon footprint. Furthermore, the impact of menstrual hygiene initiatives extends far beyond physical health.
मैम बताइए प्रोडक्ट के बारे में।
ये हमारा क्लॉथ पैड है, रियूजेबल नैपकिन। सो वी आर फ्रॉम उजास ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विच वर्क्स ऑन मेंस्ट्रुअल हेल्थ एंड हाइजीन मैनेजमेंट। सो हमारा ये जो प्रोडक्ट है जालना में महाराष्ट्र में बना है, एसेंशियल वुमेन के
and human rights.
She is Poonam, she is leading this.
Sustainability
So
is
ये
another
product
critical
जो है, so
aspect
this is
of
made by
menstrual
pure cotton
hygiene.
actually. So we
We
have
must
this
ensure
product.
that the
So
efforts
this can be used
we
as
take are long-lasting,
pad, and we have
scalable,
triangle holders.
and
So
integrated
based upon your
into broader
you can just
development
insert this
goals.
napkin here and you can
This
use it.
includes
So
investing in
specialty of
menstrual
this
health
product is
education,
that this is made by essential
promoting
women
behavior
and this is
change,
pure cotton.
and
So we
strengthening
have used 3 types
water,
of cloth: plain
sanitation,
cotton, pure cotton
and waste
and
management
printed cotton.
infrastructure, particularly in
Thank you.
schools. is not only a women's issue, it affects men and women equally.
Sorry.
It is a human rights issue. It is a public health issue and a fundamental aspect of sustainable development. By embracing innovation, amplifying the effect.
As you can see, we have sanitary pads. So basically, like these sanitary pads are super soft. If I show you, like these are super soft and these are like leak proof pads. And these pads are thin as well and rash free, with the topmost layer which is like basically like it absorbs blood easily and dries it out. And it also comes with a disposable cover, so you can just put the pad here and put the sticker on and then like dispose it off. Then we have period panties which are like for very high heavy flow, and you can just wear these and sleep. You don't have to worry about stains. And we have very innovative product which is Noah heat patch, which gets activated through air, and this is like a cram comfort patch. You don't need to like carry a hot water bottle. You can simply like put it in your like abdomen, and you can like go wherever you want irrespective of anything. And other than that, we also have panty liners, then we have intimate wipes, and then we have period pain relief. So you can just and then we have intimate wash and skin products. So yeah, this is how it is.
Why is 28? And it's the same cup that I am using. I just got a new one because I was bored of the old one, but I still have both of them. So it's that. So when we talk of sustainability, I will talk about.
Hi, I am Mahipal Singh, co-founder and CEO of Reva. Reva is a menstrual hygiene brand where we are focusing on making it your BFF, where you can speak about your menstrual needs, your concerns. You can get education aspects from Reva. Reva has conceptualized her range from a point of view which is covering the entire menstrual cycle of a woman. So it's before, during, and after. Where before your period starts, you get mood swings, wherein the five majority mood swings that a woman faces is pain, anxiety, digestion, sleep, and confidence. So we've curated a range of essential oils and balms which are absolutely eco-friendly and are based on essential vitamin E and jojoba oil, and each one of them is actually soothing to the nerves and make you feel good about yourself. Then comes the period, when you get the menstrual period. Then we've introduced a range of menstrual products in the form of reusable sanitary pads, liners, and period panties. They are 100% cotton. They are biodegradable 90%. They are comfortable. They are rash-free, leak-proof, and at the same time, they are good up to 100 washes, which makes it more easy to get the habit of using a menstrual product. Currently in rural India, the biggest challenge is about access to such menstrual products, and that is where we are working on providing such products to women in rural India, where they can get it and that is more convenient and making a habit for using a hygienic menstrual product. Coming out of the low which actually make you feel good about yourself. You can pamper yourself and come out or a normal body phenomenon. And the brand Reva is trying to create more awareness by conducting awareness drives at schools, where we are targeting kids, boys, girls, and parents right from the age of 8 or 9 to bring up the awareness of what menstruation is all about, updating them on what is the nutritional aspect of menstruation, what they need to eat, what are the foods that they need to avoid. Because the current there is a huge of periods where we used to earlier start at the age of 10 have started happening at the age of 8, and there is a lifestyle change that needs to be changed in our current. So we are targeting on making a difference in our society, make our superwomen feel good and get into a habit of maintaining their hygiene. And
This is for. Hello, my name is Nivedita and I'm from Center for Catalyzing Change C3. We're a non-profit which works with adolescent girls and women and basically the life cycle of a woman to help them have their own agency and claim their space at every stage of their life. So the product that we're actually talking about, the project that we have here is the project, which is the 13-year-olds. The whole idea and the premise around it is to actually equip young girls and first-time menstruators with the right information and the right hygienic practices to, manage their periods in a confident and a hygienic way that lasts till adulthood. And it's a very one-of-a-kind of a project. For instance, like instead of bringing in basic, disposable pads, we've brought in reusable pads in the kit. So there are 5 reusable pads in the kit, and 1 reusable pad lasts up to 2 to 3 years. Which is instrumental in inculcating the girls with their with the habit of using pads, and at the same time it's environmentally friendly. There is also a liquid detergent bottle that is used to wash these pads. These are the reusable pads that we're talking about. Along with that, there's also a small hot water bag that you can fill for pain management techniques. But most importantly, and I think what